Wondering how to keep your prints in one piece? Let's get educated. Now, some props will come pre-cut so that they slide into place just like this, and all you have to do is put some glue on here, some glue on there, slide it together, and you're all good to go. But what do you do when there's a little bit less surface area to work with? Well, a lot of people will tell you, and I think it's a pretty good use case, to use epoxy. So basically you would lather this with epoxy, this large flat area, and you'd stick it like that, let it dry, and you're pretty good to go. But what do you do if it is a thinner surface area or you don't have quite as much room to use epoxy? Well, you can use the same method, and then what you would do is you would use Bondo or some other body filler to fill in the gap right here, basically make it seamless, and then you can sand over that and paint it and make it look like one piece. Or if you really want to go all out, some people will use fiberglass sheets to, on the inside of the seam, kind of make it look like one piece and reinforce a little bit, which is also a great option, but a little more involved. Another thing you can do, if you have the means, is to basically weld your pieces together. You can do this with a soldering iron or sometimes even a hot glue gun. The tip can get hot enough. But basically you hold the pieces together and you can either epoxy them beforehand if possible or just go for it straight with the weld. But you use the hot tip of that whatever you're using to basically melt the plastic that touches both pieces and combine it into one solid piece. Essentially you're welding the pieces together but with plastic instead of metal. There really is no one best way to get all your pieces together, so let me know what you guys think is the best way to combine your pieces, and we'll see you guys next week.